Binance Coin may drop 2.30% tomorrow, according to crypto predictions. But first, let's take a closer look at what's happening in the market. As we speak, Binance Coin has gone down 2% and is sitting around $890.20. Time to explore what analysts foresee. According to Traders Union, the price could increase to $906 by tomorrow, which is about 1.80% above the current level. CoinCodex foresees Binance Coin moving up to $899.58, a rise of approximately 1%. Coin price forecast points out it could head toward $896, about 0.60% higher. Another estimate by Crypto Predictions shows Binance Coin might retreat to $869.81, a loss close to 2.30%, and to end Coin the Flow project's $866.11 by tomorrow, showing a decline of 2.70%. This is the top yield scenario. Those were the 5 key projections. Let's keep watching. All 5 predictions are in. Here's what they collectively suggest. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a decline of 2.70% to a rise of 1.80%, depending on the analyst. By the look of it, CoinDataFlow is calling for the highest return with 2.70% gain in value by January 30. By the look of it, you could earn between $6 and $27 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at probabilities, Coin Price forecast ranks as the strongest, with a 73.70% chance of success. Pulling together the 5 forecasts, I've come up with a consensus scenario. Consensus data indicates Binance Coin staying near $887.50 without noticeable shift. Let's look at the details. The consensus picture places the price 0.30% below current levels. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 0.30% if the scenario holds. For every 1,000, that could suggest a potential increase of $3. In addition, this consensus outlook for Binance Coin carries a probability of about 76.50%. At this stage, let's see what analysts are forecasting over the 3-day horizon. Traders Union signals no significant movement ahead. CoinCodex signals the price is following an ascending path. For this short horizon, Coin Price forecast describes the market as flat, with little scope for variation. Crypto Predictions expects Binance Coin to decline steadily. Likewise, CoinDataFlow projects weaker prices ahead. Overall, the consensus delivers a bearish message, showing Binance Coin trending downward. At the end of the day, 60% of analysts lean bearish on Binance Coin. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. As a result, the day's market action settled at $902.90. The majority of analysts turned out correct about the direction. If we focus on accuracy, the top spot goes to Golf Capital Collector. Now it's time to break it into parts. The daily range included just one prediction. Speaking of ROI, gains appeared across several forecasts, and 30 rates came out ahead with 2.50%. On screen is the performance summary, the combined outcomes for every forecast. At a glance, Coin Price forecast was given 76.30% forecast probability, $25.90 accuracy, and minus 2.50% ROI. Try to find the analyst that stayed most in sync with the market. And now let's see where Binance Coin stands among other cryptocurrencies in tomorrow's forecasts. Render takes the lead at 4.60%, while Binance Coin sits lower in rank. For now, this table shows 5 assets, and the full comparison of many cryptocurrencies by forecasted returns will also be published on my website and Telegram. This story continues tomorrow. Hit subscribe to see what happens next. See you in tomorrow's update.